friends, welcome to Shri Food YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make restaurant style spicy chicken curry at home. Let's see what are the ingredients. 500 grams of chicken, roasted curry powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 3 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1/8 teaspoon, chicken curry powder 1 tablespoon, tamarind juice 3 tablespoon, salt as per your taste, green chili 2 numbers, piece of chopped fresh lemongrass, ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon, few numbers of cloves and cardamom, piece of cinnamon, curry leaves, 1 big onion, 1 tomato and some water. First I am going to pre-season the chicken. For that I am adding turmeric powder, salt, and tamarind juice. Mix everything well. Cover it and let them marinate for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, heat a pan and add some oil. When oil is heated, I am going to add ginger and garlic paste. And saute it 1 to 2 minutes until it turns to golden color. Then add small piece of chopped fresh lemongrass. Next add some curry leaves. Then add onion and saute it for a few minutes. Now add red chili powder and let them be roasted. At this time you can add roasted curry powder and homemade chicken curry powder. You can find the ingredients for this homemade chicken curry powder in the description box. Now saute everything for few minutes. Now you have to add marinated chicken. Mix everything. And cook it covered under medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add some water and stir well. At this time you can add some salt as per your taste. Add piece of cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Now add tomato and green chili. Mix everything well. Covered and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now take off the lid and gently mix everything. This is the spicy chicken curry I made today. Now our chicken curry is ready to serve. You also can try it and enjoy this dish with your family. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.